Are you a student, want to generate pocket money and want to start a new side hustle? This video is for you. In this video, I am going to teach you a very short and easy skill which can earn you a very good passive income. Within just 5 minutes, you can earn $30. And if you do it daily, then you will earn $900 in a month, which is very good passive income as a student. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open these three websites which I am opening in front of you. The name of the first website is pexabe.com and the second website name is pexels.com and the third website is freepik.com. So first of all, I have come to the website. So look carefully. Here they have said that you get royalty free images, you get stock free images. From here you can download images, which means you can take stock free images from this website and use them in your projects. So there will be no copyright of anyone. Same goes with Pexels and Freepik. So here see what we have to do. First of all, here we will simply write office and then search for it. Look carefully, office here, and after writing office, I just press enter. See here different type of office related images open in front of you. You will go here and see that all the images are free and you have to download office related pictures from here. I like this picture, it's simple. I'll click on it. I have to click on the download button and here I downloaded. The dimensions are mentioned in front of you. Simply download it and see this one here. This picture is also fine. Let's go random. So here there will be all the pictures related to the office. See this picture here, it is good. So I'll download it. It is okay. So these are free pictures. Here you will not get any copyright. So look carefully. There will be two pictures we are going to take from this website. We are taking only office related pictures and we have to download it one by one. So now I go to the next website which name is Pexels. So here I will write office again. You can write office background as well. So look here, different type of pictures are opened here. I will take any pictures randomly. The picture is looking good and simple. I clicked on it and see this picture, stock free image. This picture will be downloaded and I close it from here. So after closing, scroll here. So you guys, the first step came to know that you have come to the website of stock free images, which I have mentioned, 3 websites, and you have to come here randomly and download the pictures which you like. So it's okay. I have downloaded 2 pictures from this website. So now the last website, which is Freepik. You search for office and different office related images show up in front of you. So simply open anyone that appeals you and download it. So the first step is complete. So now we move on to the next step. The next step is open the website canva.com. This is an interesting thing. Whatever work you do here, you can do on your mobile phones as well. So I am using it from laptop because it has a wide screen. You can see it well. So you have to open the software, go to the search bar, and it is simple here. You have to write Zoom virtual background. See here, the option is visible and Zoom virtual background. So I clicked on the Zoom virtual background and I have this canvas. The blank canvas is visible in front of me. So now the next you guys have to do this. You go to the simple upload tab and click on the upload file here and there will be files here. See here which file I have just downloaded in front of you from the stock free images websites. And I simply clicked on the open button and you have to click here. See this, it will start uploading. And look carefully, uploading will start. Like I have uploaded a stock picture here. Now simple, I have clicked on the picture. I have to drag and drop onto the canvas. The background of the Zoom is ready. So now here I have to do the next step. Just go to the element section and look for frame. I'll select this frame and now I'll add logo in this frame. Just drag and drop logo into this frame and here you can see that I simply dropped it and here its visibility is really good. So one of our image is ready. Now simple. What you have to do is to duplicate it once, duplicate it again, and here you have duplicated 5 to 6 pages. And here you will see that all the duplicates have been done. So next I will add stock images on second canvas and set it as its background. Now our second Zoom virtual background is ready. In the same way, I'll add other stock images on the rest of the pages one by one and set them as background. And our all Zoom virtual backgrounds are ready now. So okay, I have prepared in front of you, and here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 backgrounds I have prepared here. And how much is there any difficulty? Took less than 5 minutes, and the background has been prepared for Zoom. So you guys have to prepare a list of 20 to 50 backgrounds, and in this way you have taken a stock free images and you have prepared the virtual background of Zoom within the same dimensions. It's simple. So this is the skill which you are going to sell. So now you have to click on the download button and see it here. It will be in PNG. Simply select it on JPEG because all JPEG size are small. If you want to share it at any place, then it is easy for you. So you have the JPEG file ready, which you will sell and you will earn money. It is such an easy task that you have done it, being a student without investment. So now I am taking you to the next platform whose name is Fiverr.com. So Fiverr.com is a freelancing platform which is very amazing platform for beginners, where you can give your services and earn money online. So here you can work on a project for $5, $10, $20, and even $30 for these Zoom virtual backgrounds. So just search for Zoom virtual background and here you go. Just 700 plus services available for this work, meaning competition is too low. You just create your gig in this niche and boom, see the dollars roll in. So I just open up one of the gig in front of you guys. Here you can see basic package of $30 in which you provide just 6 virtual backgrounds. Let's do some math here. To see the earning potential, this person gig has 454 reviews. So let's assume that this person did all the orders for its basic package, which is just $30. Then how much he earned from this gig by freelancing? Almost $13,000. Just by doing this simple and easy work which I just showed you. So guys, what are you waiting for? All those students out there, if you have time, then you can make good money online by providing this service. Follow the side hustle and start generating your first dollar. And you must comment when you get the first order. So those who found this video valuable, simply give it a thumbs up and please do share with all the students and do subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you all in the next video. Take care.